Alright, welcome to Module 3. This whole module is a tour of the Control UI. We are going to walk every panel together. And just to set expectations, do not change anything destructive yet. Just orient, look around, get comfortable. So first things first, open the Control UI. The command is OpenClaw Dashboard. That opens your default browser to 127.0.0.1 port 18789. That is the local web app the gateway serves. It is built on a white plus lit single-page architecture under the hood, but honestly, you do not need to care about any of that. What matters is, it is local and it is auth-gated. Auth. Token mode is the default. On direct loopback, the gateway auto-approves. So, when you open the dashboard from the same machine the gateway is running on, you do not have to paste anything. If you are connecting from a different machine, even one on your home network, you have to go through device pairing first. We cover that flow in Module 60. Now, if you ever need a fresh token, the command is OpenClaw Doctor -- generate gateway token. That mints a new long-lived bearer token, writes it to the configured location, and the UI picks it up. Easy. Per browser identity. Inside the UI, you can set a display name and avatar for yourself. That is per browser, not per account. So the gateway tracks which browser session is whose. When you have multiple devices using the same gateway, that is how each one gets identified separately. Quick note on language support. The Control UI ships with 13 languages, lazy loaded. So if English is not your first language, check the language picker. There is a good chance your language is in there. Now, let me describe what you are looking at when the UI opens. The left sidebar has the major panels: chat, sessions, channels, cron jobs, skills, nodes, execution approvals, config, logs, debug, update, and a couple more. We will tour all of them in the next 3 lessons. The main area, when you first open it, is the chat panel, big input box at the bottom, conversation history above, session selector and agent selector along the top. That is your day-to-day surface for talking to the agent directly without going through a channel. If you click any of the sidebar items, the main area swaps to that panel. Most panels have a list view on the left of the main area, and a detail view on the right when you select something. Pretty standard layout. That is your orientation. In the next lesson, we look at the chat sessions and channels panels in detail. See you there.